Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make kombucha the easiest and quickest way. If you miss anything in this video, please be aware that all the steps will be in the description box below. Here's what you'll need: a kombucha scoby, a large saucepan, a large glass jar, 8 tea bags, 160 grams of raw cane sugar, a large sieve and a tight weave cloth with an elastic band. Firstly, you'll need to buy a kombucha scoby. You can find these easily online. When it arrives, it will be in a plastic bag with some starter liquid. Empty both the scoby and the starter fluid in a bowl and put it aside for later. Now, using either boiled or filtered water, fill up the large glass jar, making sure to leave at least a few spare inches at the top of the jar. Pour the water into a large saucepan and heat it until it boils. While this is happening, measure out 160 grams of raw cane sugar. If you can't get your hands on it raw, using just cane sugar is fine as well. Put the sugar, sieve and tea bags to one side to be used shortly. Turn off the cooker, add the sugar to the boiled water and stir until it dissolves. This should only take a minute or so. Then, place the tea bags into the sieve and infuse them into the boiled water. After 30 minutes, discard the tea bags and let the solution cool. You'll need to leave it alone for a while until it reaches a tepid, lukewarm temperature. After the solution has cooled, pour it into the large glass jar. Now take the kombucha scoby and starter liquid and add both to the solution. Attach the tight weave cloth to the top of the jar with an elastic band. Store the jar in a cool, dark and dry place and leave it for around 7 to 10 days. Before handling the scoby, make sure you wash your hands. Remove the scoby and place it in a bowl, ready for you to start making the next batch. Now you can pour the kombucha into bottles for storage and consumption. I would recommend using dark coloured glass bottles to preserve it. Keep a very small amount of kombucha and add it to the scoby in the bowl to be used as the starter liquid for your next batch. You can store the kombucha in a cool, dry place or refrigerate it. It's completely up to you. Subscribe to see more videos on how to optimize your digestion. Thanks for watching.